Welcome to Cook Square. Today's special, garlic chicken jeera curry. You take a pan and heat some oil in it. Add a few bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a few curry leaves and fry it till the aroma is released. Add 2 chopped onions to it and fry till it's golden brown. Add some salt to taste. Add the chicken and fry it for a few minutes. Add your garlic paste and fry it till the water from the chicken is released. Add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon Cumin Powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 3 green chilies and toss it up a bit. Add 2 sliced tomatoes and fry it gently. Once the tomatoes are fried, add little water and bring it to boil. And now your garlic chicken jeera curry is ready. Try it, taste it, and say it's yummy. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share us.